She thinks y'all are so sweet, she sent you a present.
What's mine? What's this?
I don't know. What is it?
A Hot Wheel I can put together.
Wow. That's cool.
Come on.
Like her shoes? No, you like that, girl?
Oh. What
Hey,
is
you
this?
could wear some longer pants today.
Looks like some candy.
Scooby-Doo.
Oh, what is that? A new book?
One can, two can, old can, new can. Ooh.
Oh,
2010.
hey, what do you say?
Thank you!
Hey, take your ring upstairs, you got. You gotta do a little
Look at
cleaning around
that.
here.
Jackson probably could, or Jaden probably could take her doll out of that box. You could throw that box away.
Good job.
Ooh. It says Merry Christmas. In this season of twinkling lights and falling snow, wishing you everything bright and wonderful. Merry Christmas, Happy New Year. I hope Santa treats you well, Jackson and Jaden. Love, Leah. What's all that?
Tiny goodies.
Look at all that, Jaden.
Well, what she did.
No, go ahead. Tell the story.
Well, what she did in preschool this Monday, as the kids bring change for a porta potty, she went upstairs. She had probably about
At least 15 or 20.
$12 in quarters. Shannon said she didn't take her ones, but she had probably 4 and 9
Where's the lid for this?
She took all that to school and gave it to her teacher for a porta potty. So she got her, and she was saying about makeup, so they sent lady
Leah's the best.
sent her a box with makeup done, because she thought it was nice. Most kids would take 50 cents. She took
What
all
is
of
that
them.
one?
It's
Her porta
lipstick. Later
Oh,
lipstick.
glitter lipstick.
Where'd you get all this?
Look at all them special makeup she picked for you.
You got a purse to put it in.
Is there more tucked in there? Wow.
When you
Oh, nail pretties. Jaden loves things on her nails. I think. Is that what they are?
get, yeah, see, you get rid of all these boxes.
What do you tell Leah, Jaden?
Thank you. More though.
Oh boy, more lipstick too. That is awesome.
Oh boy.
Do you love makeup?
Boy, here comes yours. Here it comes.
Jaden, do you love makeup?
Oh yeah. And jewelry.
Jewelry. Look at that. That is like the never-ending bag of goodies right there.
Never.
Bring that in.
Back door, baby.
Goodies.
Oh, he's got, I don't know.
Ring.
Oh, shit out. Baby, you get the chair back to the kitchen?
Okay. Wow, I can't believe they're still going.
Leah's the best.
She is the best.
Okay, that's everything.
There's a mirror.
More stuff? No.
Oh. Could you open this, please?
Mm-hmm. It's a little bank. How sweet is that? A little bank for your money.
A lookie.
What is it?
I don't know. It's
Princess paper. Yeah, princess
And-
paper.
Princess colors.
Card.
Say Merry Christmas, Leah.
Merry Christmas, Leah. Mwah.